Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I want to do a makeup tutorial for you. I'll show you my makeup that I use. So this is my makeup palette that I use. And I like to use that blue one for my eyes. Can you see that? That's blue eyeshadow that I like. My sister helps me with my lashes. She helps me put them on. And my and guys, this is my and guys, this is my and guys, this is my lip gloss that I use. See that? It's called Essence Shine 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 Pink. Can you see that one? I love that shade. My favourite. And my and that's the mascara that I use. Can you see that one? That's the mascara that I use. So guys, hope that helped you do makeup. That's my makeup that I use. Hi guys, remember if you see me out in the shops, say hello and I'll probably wear my, usually I'll probably be wearing these ears. I'll be wearing my pink Disney ones I got from Disneyland. I'll probably be wearing these ones there. So you know it's me. So if you see me, come up and say hello and we can have a nice little chat about Disney. Right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.